Hi, this is Kim Snyder from the API Guys, and I'd like to show you just how quickly you can get a Pocket Developer building block installed and working on your system. We like to think of Pocket Developer as a code vending machine, and it works like this. If I go to the list of Pocket Developer building blocks, I'm going to select one. So let's just say in this case I'm going to select Any Text Anywhere. It's going to take me to the product page, which has this order form here. Now, obviously, it's normally not $1, but for our purposes, because I am going to put a real order in here, just so you can see what that looks like. Okay, that's me. That's my phone number. That's my Skype name in case we have to give you support. We want to be able to help you out if you have any issues. I am going to use LastPass to pre-fill my credit card here, which I know is, okay, you guys don't go shopping on my credit card. And there's my cardholder name. This is a Stripe order, so that is all we need. I hit submit, and I have just purchased Any Text Anywhere. As soon as this finishes processing, that is. Okay, there we go. So the next thing, I'm going to receive an email that give me login instructions for our portal. But since I already have a login, I'm going to just go ahead and go there now. So it's portal at the API Guys. It logs me in. And when you log in, you'll see any blocks that you just bought will be here under Unfinished Business. You just click on Configure and Install. Takes you to this page. You want to read all of this. It tells you that you're going to need your credentials to get it installed. So we're going to do my FTP first. The domain I'm going to install this on is trainandsimple.com. You can use this on any domain. Oops. Just this is where the script is going to live, and of course if you would like you can move it manually, but this is where we're going to install it to begin with. I put in my username, I put in my password, and I say next. Now it's going to go check right now and make sure that it can in fact install and write to your FTP server, which, because I didn't get an error, it obviously could. Then it asks for my Infusionsoft credentials. So I'm just going to say Kim's nickname label. You might just want to put your app name there. Oops. But there's my app name, and then my API key is that, and I say next. It's going to test that, make sure we can write to it, and then it's going to install the Any Text Anywhere code block on your server. So it's doing that. It's going to finish here in just a moment, and I'll tell you, there it is. Good news. So we have a demo video of the code block here on that page, but the way you can see that it's been installed, if you go to, on your server, the public HTML, or sometimes it's called www. I've got a lot of stuff on mine. I apologize. It's a little bit hard to see, but if you go to, it will have created a scripts folder. Yours is likely empty except for a folder called Pocket Developer. If you click on Pocket Developer, you'll see two folders: services and then blocks. And under blocks, any blocks that it has installed will be there. We just installed Any Text, and there it is. So your Any Text is ready to go. You have a how long did that take us? A couple minutes. It's literally ready to go. It will have emailed you a quick start guide, but you can also find your quick start guide on the Pocket Developer page if you ever need to go back to it. For example, Any Text Anywhere. Here is the quick start guide, which tells you how to configure and use the Any Text Anywhere building block. And that is it. A Pocket Developer building block purchased and installed on your server in under 5 minutes.